Thank you for joining this lesson. We are going to look at a question from commercial arithmetic, compound interest. We are told that to calculate the exact value of compound interest earned on 20,000 Kenya shillings for 1.5 years at the rate of 12% per annum, compounded half yearly. So we know that the total amount when compounded, when the interest is compound, is given by principal into 1 plus rate as a percent raised to n. Therefore, we can get the amount when we take a principal of 20,000, because principal is the money deposited, plus 1, okay, with 1 plus the rate per annum, it's 12%, which means if it is compounded half yearly, then we're going to have the rate as 6% when compounded half yearly. Then now, the number of periods of compound interest are going to be half years. In 1.5 years are going to be 3, because we will have the whole year with 2 halves, then we have another half year. Therefore, we're going to have 3 at that point. So with that, now we can use the calc and have 20,000 multiplied by 1. This divided by 100 becomes 0.06. So this will be 1.06 when we add raised to 3. Then we use the calc to compute the final answer. 20,000 multiplied by 1.06 raised to power 3. And this is going to give us an amount equal to 23,820.30. These are Kenya shillings as amount. So this amount contains the interest which has been earned on the money, and also the principal which was deposited in the given bank. Therefore, we can now get the compound interest by subtracting the principal which was deposited from the total amount, 23,820.30 minus 20,000. So this will be the amount of interest that has been earned, and it will be 3,820.30. So this is the amount of Kenya shillings, the amount of Kenya shillings that was earned, or rather the compound interest earned. Thank you for following. Subscribe and share the link.